special train that copies any sound. It's the echo-maniacal, super reliable, sound-alike, all-day and night Audiomatic Express. It can moo like a cow. It can go moo, moogity-moo. The trolley train can do it. Hey, how about you?
Moo, moogity-moo.
Sound like a circus organ? The trolley train can boop. How about you? Can you go boop, boopity boo?
Boo, boopity boo.
Say, how about a walrus? Or the whistling breeze on the flying trapeze? Swoop, zoom, swoop. Is there such a thing as an upside down sound? Ooh, listen to this. It goes swim, swim, swim. Are you feeling keen to hear the start-on machine? Clunk, clippity, clunk, clunk, bop, bumpity, bop, bop, jerkity, jerk, perk, buggity, bug, jerk. The trolley train goes bumping when sounding all train. How about you? Can you go beep,
Honkity honk, beep, beep, beep.
When the trolley train goes rolling past, we know how it sounds to go really fast. With a swish, swoosh, kablast. Now don't you be last. Make the sound of fast.
Swish, swoosh, collapse.
Oh, the mighty trolley train makes a loud hullabaloo. It's the sound of fun. Can you make it too?
Wee, wee, woo-hoo.
Like a beach ball, the trolley train is going boing, 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 boing. Boom, boom, the trolley train is a wonder. Boom, boom, hear the waves thunder. Oh, listen to this. What an earful of luck. We can hear the sound of old McBean's truck. Bang, bong, chug. Can you make that sound too?
Bang, bong, chug, bang, bong, chug.
And a sneech farewell to toodaloo, toodaloo. Time for the trolley train to say toodaloo now. How about you?
Toodaloo, toodaloo.
So goodbye, sneeches. Goodbye all around. We won't forget all the wonderful sounds.
Just like you. You might have a few extra ones too. Days for now, as everyone knows. Too bad we don't happen to have some of those. But look out for Bean, a bodacious blue bubble. And bumblebees buzzing won't cause you much trouble.
C is for cookie.
Who said that? Please stop. This C is for the Circus McGurkus Big Top. And D, that's a breeze. How about the daring young lad on the flying trapeze? Does anyone's name here start with V? I'm Dave or David or Dingus McGee. E is for everyone under the sun. F is for friends who are all having fun. G is for green, but we'll get to that. H is for what tops that silly old cat. That's right, I'm a cat. Or maybe just for the old hip, hip, hooray! Yeah, you can do it. Say hip, hip, hooray! Good for you. We could do that all day. I is for icing on top of a cake. And J is for jumping right into a lake. At the new Magoo Zoo, you'll find King Kuchu lording it all over K and L too. When you come down the road, did you happen to see a sign for a village called MNOP? O is for opposite. North and south going Zaxes. Stubbornly stopped unbudged in their traxes. P is for perfect. A day at the beach. Q is for quick. Look, that must be a sneech. Now back to G. Why? For green eggs and green ham. I really like them. I do, Sam. R is for roundabout. Now you can see we're heading for Sneech Town with S and a T. Uncle Ob's umbrella is a triple for you. And he just might throw in his underwear, too. V is for the visitors here on vacation. here to see us from many great nations. W is for wireless ride after hang. We wish to ride more, so please tell us when. X, Y,